recording.
That's the guys.
Those are the guys in the church.
They're going to catch the feeder and then they block off the feeder. They're like nothing but... Alright, fuck it, hey, let's go. There seem to be a couple little shit boxes we can beat. We're not doing anything. This is about to be badass. Come on.
Yeah, dude, we're just gonna chill back and
you're gonna regret missing that. I always tag along and I always catch a good race.
I don't feel like I'm pulling over.
That's true though.
That's true,
right? I get 3 tickets in about a month, so I want to slow.
Yeah, and I just paid my.
I just finished.
Oh, somebody's stuck. He's stuck.
Yeah, highlights was nice. Stuck truck.
They're black smoking it. It's cool. No worries. Look at the triple A guy. Hey man, I'll get him out $80,000. Did you pay your
I'm an environmentalist. You need to cut out that black smoke. Sorry.
I think it's kind of funny how you videotape the fat.
Hey, yeah, like put this like send this tape to AAA and be like, look what you guys are doing.
Like, that's so insane.
How's my driving? And he's like, oh, you're going up on curve.
Like that. He likes swinging it around.
He's. He starts drifting it.
It would be kind of funny if that thing rolled and there's a AAA guy. I'd be good.
We need to know. We need a AAA.
So how do you explain this? Well, I was trying to be cool. What happens when an ambulance is an ambulance? What happens when a fire truck catches on fire?
They're rednecks.
They live in the mud, like crawdads.
We got the po-po.
What that guy do?
Hey, do some donuts in my car.
Hey, do that. Hey, do that for real. Start a fight. Fight him.
Dude, this is what happened. I'll get like one hit and then all of a sudden just one swing comes in.
Do it. Boom! Try it.
What's your mic?
That makes 2 of us.
Front wheel drive. No, I got a front wheel drive conversion. That's horrible. Damn it.
That sounds like a good burnout. Alright, well that was fun.